What is up, you guys? Darryl here, back again for more crypto news, and today I'm going to be explaining to you why we are entering a new crypto spring. The crypto winter is almost over, guys, so be prepared and make sure to pick yourself some good DeFi coins in order to get some moonshot gains. Better do it now before it's too late, because once crypto spring hits, that's where all the prices will already go up, and if you enter at that point, you won't earn much. So with that said, let's take a look at the charts today. So Bitcoin is at $30,000. See, it has increased. It was $29,000 for the past week, and it was $26,000 for the past couple of months. But now it's at $30,000, which is a really healthy sign not only for Bitcoin but all of the cryptocurrencies, because all of them follow Bitcoin's halving. Ethereum is at 1600, nothing much changed there. BNB at 219, also nothing much changed there. But I want to tell you today, I have some huge news on XRP and also Binance, and I'm going to be giving you two of my picks. One is a meme coin and one is a utility coin, so stay tuned till the end. First things first, Morgan Stanley believes that crypto winter is almost over. Like I said, you guys, Bitcoin halving will kick off new bull run. There is some science towards it, there's some calculations towards it. Basically, they drew a parallel between the 4-year cryptocurrency cycle and the year's 4 seasons. Bearish obviously resembling winter, and as it gets close to the bull run, it will be spring and then summer. So after reaching new high, Bitcoin garners media attention, attracts new investors, and also gets the interest of businesses. That will be considered as summer, and of course, after the post-peak, the market enters a bearish phase, similar to the onset of winter. And this is how they calculated it. Basically, the period of crypto market finds its footing again. That is during the bear market, like what's happening now. Previously, since 2021, there has been 3 crypto winters already, and each of them spanning around 11 months. The author also noted that Bitcoin's halving event plays a significant role in driving the value of the flagship crypto. And you might be asking me, when should I prepare? Darryl, when am I going to buy all these DeFi coins, all of these low cap meme coins? Basically, the best time to buy in is when it's at its lowest. However, nobody wants to have their money locked up for so long. So there are actually signs of spring according to this article. The trough of the Bitcoin in the previous crypto winters typically surfaces around 12 to 14 months after its peak, offering a timeline of the market cycles. A trough meaning at the bottom point, right before it bounces up to its highs. The trough is basically the bottom point. Another thing is also the Bitcoin price to thermal cap multiple, which is a critical metric in order to determine when is crypto spring. Thermal cap measures the total investment in Bitcoin since its inception. A lower price to thermal cap ratio indicates a trough, meaning the bottom point where everyone should buy in order to make the massive gains, while the higher ratio suggests a peak in the market's trajectory, meaning at its peak it's normally not so good to get in there because it's right before it goes down. So according to this article, now it's at its trough. One of the best times to get in is exactly this time now. Anyway, before I continue on this news, I want to show you this utility coin that is on Bitcoin mining. A lot of you might want to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum during this time because you want to make yourself some massive gains. However, it's not easy to mine Bitcoin because the setup for the hardware is expensive, it's complicated, it's hard to set up, and also the electric cost now is way higher than it was before. Before, mining Bitcoin was really affordable and also profitable, but now the electric cost might be too high for you to make any sorts of profits. Therefore, let me introduce to you Bitcoin MineTrix, because this is where you can stake tokens and mine Bitcoin. One Bitcoin mine in 2013 appreciated about 27,000% in 10 years. But obviously, back then was easy, now it's difficult, now it's expensive. So this is one of the solutions where you can actually purchase yourself some tokens and then stake it and mine yourself some Bitcoin. You can do so by buying with ETH, USDT, or credit card. So basically, this is a tokenized cloud mining platform that allows everyday people to mine yourself some Bitcoin in a decentralized way, solving a huge problem by removing all the third-party cloud mining scams, giving you the control of the holders. And this is how it works. This solution is basically a reliable cloud mining platform, and this is basically the solution. You can stake your BTC MTX token to gain cloud mining credits, and all this can be done in a secure and transparent way. So this is basically a stake to mine BTC mining. All you have to do is connect it to your MetaMask, and users of this only need an Ethereum compatible wallet such as MetaMask to purchase yourself and stake yourself some BTC MTX token. And basically, the reasons to cloud mine is very simple. Number one, cost of entry is super low as compared to you buying all the equipment, all the hardware, setting them up yourself, and don't forget trial and error. All these are very expensive if you want to mine your own Bitcoin. Second is the safety and security. Basically, it's decentralized, users own it as yourself, and also it's tradable tokens. The risk is low as well because it's user control, easy to withdraw and easy to sell. Simplicity is very important for beginner and user friendly, and also the lock-in period is based on what you choose. So like I said, it's very easy. All you have to do is buy the tokens, stake to mine, and earn yourself some BTC. And this is how the dashboard is going to look like. As you can see right here, there's burn, stake, and withdraw. You can put the months 3, 6, or 12, or you can even choose the months yourself. And then they'll show you the credits earned and also the mining power bought. You can then see your daily returns, weekly and also monthly. So make sure to join the $30,000 mine airdrop as well. It's called a mine drop. All you have to do is very simple. Visit their website and follow them on Twitter. So next on my pick is more of a meme coin. Like I said, you guys, meme coins, yes, there's no intrinsic value, but so does a lot of other coins. However, meme coins are the ones that is based on hype marketing. And like I mentioned with all my meme picks before, this is a new one that I saw recently. It's called MemeKombat. Basically, you can stake, play, and get rewards. It's an innovative new gaming platform designed for gaming enthusiasts. The USDT raise is almost $1 million right now. You can also purchase yourself some by using ETH or USDT. And SpongeBob is basically gonna earn you some APY during its pre-sale. You don't have to wait for the battles. Once you purchase yourself some pre-sale tokens, then you can start getting some APY. And this is how the staking works. Basically, the point of MK isn't just to buy and trade, but to stake your token in the MemeKombat and bet on the battles for the chance of winning something big. Basically, buy the MK tokens during the pre-sale, stake the tokens in MemeKombat Arena, bet on battles, and then win alongside your championship. So get into the action right now. These are the memes. It's super cool. Shiba Inu fighting with each other, Pepe Coin fighting with Shiba Inu. And if you take a look at their roadmap as well, the pre-sale ends at the Q3 2023. This platform will launch on the end of Q3, and after its post-launch is Season 1. That is when the platform is launched, and there'll be battles, leadership bots, and many more things coming up very soon. The full team is here as well. They are docs on the website, so make sure to follow them on Twitter. I haven't logged into my Twitter account yet. Oh, sorry, not Twitter, X. But be sure to retweet their tweets as well, give them some support, be part of the community. And with that said, let's get back to some crypto news. So the good news on Ripple is that it's on its winning streak. The SEC threw out the lawsuit against Ripple executives Brett Garlinghouse and also Chris Larsen over what it was claimed was accused of an unregistered offering of XRP tokens. So yes, they were having multiple legal battles between the SEC, 3 strikes, but is the SEC already out now? Basically, if you guys don't already know, what they were accused for is having $1.3 billion of unregistered ongoing digital asset or securities offering of XRP and about $600 million in illicit security sales. However, Ripple decided to fight its civil charges. And this was a risky move by them because it could be a very massive win, but it could also be a devastating loss. So the first and most significant legal victory for Ripple was tremendous, even if it was partial. This judge and Alyssa found that Ripple had not violated existing crypto securities laws by selling XRP to exchanges and giving retail buyers a chance to invest. However, they did mention that it did break the law when selling tokens directly to institutional investors. However, then the SEC voluntarily dismissed the case with prejudice, meaning that it cannot be filed again. So whether the SEC dismissed its lawsuit to appeal a different legal matter quicker. So the conclusion shows that Judge Torres seems to suggest existing securities laws are sufficient to rule on crypto and the SEC has been overzealous. So this is kind of a big win for XRP. Next on the news is Ethereum surging past milestone moment for crypto adoption according to analytics firm Into the Block. So what is their record high now? Basically, they have crossed 100 million addresses with a balance. Fellow crypto analytics Glassnode reported that the number of non-zero ETH addresses was more than 100,000 back in July. But Into the Block says that exclude those addresses with balance values less than 0.00001 ETH. So as you can see here in the charts, they show the total balance of 100 million addresses, the price at $1,587. And you can see the difference right here during its peak and now the winter time. It has basically went down more than 67% off its all-time high of $4,800. But compared to Bitcoin, Ethereum is doing very well because it is only down about 36% of its peak level of 1.51 million, whereas Bitcoin has dropped down more than 53% from its all-time high of 586,000. So Ethereum obviously is a functional coin. It's not like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just like gold. Ethereum is like petrol or fuel. So Ethereum has a good utility and everyone is using and has to use Ethereum for certain things. Most of the DeFi coins have started from Ethereum as well. So people that want to cash in or cash out the DeFi coins have to be on the Ethereum chain. Last but not least is Binance, the big conglomerate on crypto. Binance expands fiat services in Europe with new partnerships. So basically, in the past, they were partnering with PaySafe in order to do the fiat services in Europe. As you can see, this was Binance Euro service provider in the past. Right now, they're still as well, but they're transitioning away from PaySafe. This is the company right here, PaySafe. PaySafe had previously facilitated fiat deposits and withdrawals for Binance users across Europe. The bank transfers within the European Union and SEPA. So they have announced its discontinuation collaboration with Binance EU. However, Binance is now having new partnerships with multiple new fiat service providers. According to a blog post, the company had already commence migrating users to a new service provider, which includes zero deposit and withdrawal options via open banking and also SEPA. So by integrating these new fiat providers, this is going to allow a lot of new crypto adopters into cryptocurrency through Binance itself, especially in the Europe side. These fiat pathways are pivotal in improving user experience and also expanding access to the Web3 ecosystem. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy my news and also picks. Subscribe down below, turn on the notification bell, comment down below if you have any questions at all. With that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.